for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Now there's something going on. I'm a boy fu. Man can't me boy fu ye. So what is going on in this country? Yes, so we are near can. Oh, and you say, you can't near say, you can't near say, into Africa garden and your It's here for news I made a bro and they say, and we are breaking news at Eba and they say finance ministry. You're shutting it down. One more Mukujuma Ewa Finance Ministry, no, you're lucky or Yema will be a Enkujuma now because of coronavirus. It's also say Ebima Wamuye Juma Ewa Hono, or more tested positive and Hunti. You're shutting the Finance Ministry down. And round so news by say bust. Me Mamotia say you're shutting bust down because coronavirus and sensem and Crophobia Wamuye Juma were bust. One more recorded virus ninti a shatter bust down. Ghana cocoa board ejuma ko kese baako ya shatter cocoa board down. Why? Because omo mu ye ejuma wo ho no ebi mo tested positive for coronavirus. Ya shatter it down. Inti ya den na schools ne dey still ye man kola no akọ. Inti wa wote asemo ya asebe eto wasum. Tio, impenyifo a wo mumpu ye hu ne say they know how to do social distancing very well. Miss Ghana agro ne yedio. Endra me hu JHS 3 students a wo mo apon every school a wo mo kofie. Senia na wo mo di agro na mienu twi bike na ba akote na ba ako echi e wo bike na echi. Sena wo di agro etale bike ne ho o mo di agro wo krom emfa hono me say go to the schools JSS wo mo pon a wo mo nam ebom go to the schools and see say enkola no wo mo social distancing ana by mpenyufo asabe mo ye adwuma ewo finance ministry bust any cocoa board mpenyufo mo ye adwuma ewo companies akese we no mo asabe ye hu ne at least mo onyansa yen ka asan kola ni nyansa but eba self awareness impenyufo no you have self awareness, you are self aware. Mo no mutumi protect mo ho kran no coronavirus ba ne de mo anka se mo guso akọ adwuma mu ye close adwuma ne down na school asabe nkola break time obedi agro wo mbedi agro abom wo mo nanti abom social distancing wo mo keep no. Ya record the coronavirus cases ni bi wo schools no but still nkola no yemfi they are still in the schools aden Andrew Crowd said then I say you say WAEC for at the timetable about say July 20th nkola no be sha say wo mo tro wasi and I say na Ghana kra eyedien Ghana eyedien what is going on? And then the air cost ewa Ghana. Why? It just say addition who here sen kolano wo mo lives ana. Enu ebi na endra ye KNUST SHS akola ba ko afemu ewu no. Ya kwa campaign kolei egu school ewo KNUST SHS ho. Ya kwa campaign omo egu school ho. E makola ba ko ni yem stomach ulcer. Teacher mbeji no headmistress yema yemfa ne kan kono. They may take craft from Nkolani be on social media. I stand to be corrected, but they may take from Nkolani be on social media and say, you see headmistress no, Eka Nkolani say aden so be wu aden nipa ni omu hu say Nkolani hu say wo bie wu da na nipa de obi abewu. That is what we are hearing. Nkolani be social media. I've seen videos of more can say and no be normal. That is what they are saying. Say headmistress no sa the okache nkola no nembra na akola no wo wu no asema headmistress ne kache ne classmates no say adan nipa de obi abewu nti owu a wo munjan no wo de ne car kra na ko de ne car airborne nkola no embra wo mo ye say da bi omo mfa ne nto ne car mu. That is what we are hearing. We stand to be corrected. Akolei na nko wo fie nanka unhu ne se nanka ne maame mo e nanka sebe oye ne maame nti ana ne papa nti by all means obe rational de no akọ hospital woye ne maame emfa ne ho se akola ne nya coronavirus still eye ne ba wo be so ni mu de na akọ hospital ye de nkola ya akọ go school say ane ene ye be hwe omo look at what they are doing to them and that me no ka say yes say they are having a PTA meeting Ghana de eje se bibiboni ensi esi ya na afei afiansa ye pese ye tena se ne ye yisu ya adwen e de settle asem no. Someone is telling me say finance ministry there no say womo ye coronavirus test intia na ye close down their premises no. Na enye say bia ebi mo test na they've closed down the premises because they are doing an ongoing coronavirus testing exercise. Now nini name no yes but Cocoa board ne board bust dia eba finance ministry ne dia yakoya test ne dia omo dia ya test no yakoya test ne ye close down we no meboa say Accra girls omo test ye no omo say contact tracing omo contact over 200 students contact tracing aba Accra girls no over 200 students possible ye hu ne say 6 pa enya yare no ometumi dey assign crofo over 200 and the year one more test. You see the country we live in. But yeah, one more test, they are still in Kolani wo school anymore. Emma still no social distancing. In Kolana ka say no more asem. And no more catch wo mu parents. Me say Endra, Nagrat for a teachers for association wo mo na wo mo tre mostly no Nagrat for wo mo members e wo SHS wo mo tre SHS Endra Nagrat pinyi e ba bonte be ka say hey the government should just buy or say the government should before we use you say the government should just bite the hard bullet and accept say it was a wrong decision to send the kids to school. A teacher for wo mo tre nkola na de no wo mo panyi Endra asem a wo ba bonten be kan no on CTFM Eyewitness News with Umaru Sanda. You can go on SoundCloud and listen to that interview. That's what he said. Was it the government should bite the bullet and accept say wo man nkola no akọ back to school no it is a wrong move. You close it down schools. That's what they said. Nagrat a teacher for no the omo kano no. But yemfi because politicians wo mumba nim. Ono de neba no man in school Ghana how. Neba nam international school bi. And now wa brochure into ono de decisions are will take care have effect on you no. And fan neba ne ho kra. That's a country we live in. That's a country we live in. Petri ya man kola na ko school sisi ahwede esi. Hwede esi. KNUST SHS de na kra no. Yes, enye coronavirus na eku akola no. But ya pray ya ma omu ko school no ebia nkola ne bi wo ho a they need special attention. Ya pray de omu akọ school. Aban sanso ahye say ye ma nkola no wo awofo emba mbesere omo wo school no because yesuro say ebia awofo na eba obetumi de yawe na fi abonten aba besan nkola no ewo school nti awofo bia no yempene ema wo mo embesere wo mo mba ewo school nkola na akọ school no yempene ma wo awofo embesere omo so wo mpene ema awofo mbesere na then tell the teachers say teachers they in the first place they weren't in support of going back to the school. But are buying the education minister, what yari yenya symptoms kakra wo susu se ebeye coronavirus no enye na ono ankasa wakoye self isolation e wo University of Ghana Medical Center so wakoye self isolation wono de ne bodwe meboa ono echi no we dwane akoye self isolation na so yenja enkola no no mo enye de enko school aden. Aside all this thing, no, in Kolano, do you think they'll have the right mindset to even learn? We be right mindset so we be. But we don't care. by force yam mo control wasi no because omu wi a and ye be from Akufo-Addo graduate hu ne say yes free SHS na ye no first badge am omu wi no nti yanya ne mo omu wi politics ene be kunya wo man we mu politics ene be kunya so yen na ye say yen kan ne krane yet na ho a enra asemi a na ye misre Catholic bishops conference Catholic bishops omo asofo mpanyimfo enra wo tron krata ba abonten ebe ka say aban ahwe nimpa say aban coronavirus eba so yi na aban ni isi ahwe ye nimpa still wo ma yekoye registration ne de e yade a wo Catholic bishop no wo hu ne say enye eho ena nkrofo Catholic fo nankasa e ka say Catholic bishop fo ne say ye di mo ho yaw de dania e wo say mo sorry be kan sem no mo anka hwe ende mom ade ne eya ginsem ansa na mo Catholic bishop for mo ba abonten aba be kasa. On social media people were blasting the Catholic bishops. Akwa say peace council wo mo hu say we ni akoso they are not speaking e ginsem ansa na mo aba. People were blasting them here and there. Said the dada mo ahwe mo aye hwehan ama de na ginsem afiansa mo be kasa e be kasa de aban ye na nye yeden kolani ko school afiansa me kasa enye eno ne etim wo man we mu me ya aban de wo mo nkrofo ye we ya company bi ye ya ye closing it down hwe Kenya enra Kenya enra omo president ka say wo mo nkwala na omo secondary level education ni junior level education na wo mo nso ebetro ensohwe akọ the next level ni ano ya cancel examination ni up until year 2021 Kenya for and no near friend leader thinking about the kids. I said that be masa me mo akọ premo ho akọ treasures na yare ne ba na echimu na ekumu a ebe ha me inti mo ntwan exams ne de enya hwe mo betro and the parents and the students themselves have accepted say eno na wo mo pe eno na ye Ghana has say the parents and the students are saying say me man kola ne nko school o man penye beka tren say me I will not risk the Akufo-Addo graduates asemo president Akufo-Addo kan no I say me of all people I will not put the lives of the Akufo-Addo graduates at risk. So they should trust in him. And there, say nuni. Yakwaka yes ye politics. But yes ye nka ne kre wo man mu a. Sa enebe ye. Sa coronavirus asem way aye me ya obi a will follow me channel for a very long time. No nim say sa coronavirus ya dey aye me ya because right from the get go and I'm sure say me born hu dewro eh de ye nyo de right from me catch was say endra me mamoti ase say aban ebeba abonti aba be kasa na wo mo be kasa wo de hwe wo be ka asem ne dede ase oh bibiansi ye endra kojo opon nkruma wo be kasa e na kotie inta me say na say aban press conference ni ntie biomu kotie kojo opon nkruma endra ne press conference no Dede kasa dede say oh BBNC. Meanwhile medical doctors are withdrawing their services and they will call a friend saying say Regio say one of the say one hospital big hospital be surgical ward surgery in sensem no Yare drums say yare do those services so said them because you say a doctor for and nurses for wo ye adwuma that particular department no ya testi bebre na enya coronavirus no and into you close it down that sector so be a different sickness be an according because our sector no ya tum you closing it down. Medical doctors are telling you we are not doing well in the handling of the way but buying penny for bekasa obema e looking cool. Obama looking cool. Yesterday, yes, Infantile Pim reports by say Infantile Pim a bit more tested positive, but Infantile Pim for about to say, oh, Obian Yan tested positive. I say more Infantile Pim for or more headmaster at the Abetu no. But Adan secondary school. You say confirmed case. In Kolani be tested positive or Odogono senior high. A also confirmed case in Kolani be tested positive. Just accept the fact, say, yeah, man, Kolana ko school no ya pray ya home. It's as simple as that. Let's just accept the fact. Let's just accept it.